In this video, I'm going to show you how to register warranty for your Duroflex mattress. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to Duroflex's website. So that is duroflexworld.com. Now, this is the official website for Duroflex. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and find the website footer. So it'll be down near the bottom of the page. And now, under support here, it's a bit of a bird's cage here of how they've got it laid out, but that doesn't matter. So under support, we want to go ahead and click onto warranty registration. Now on this page here, we want to go ahead and click onto the big register now button. So that's just going to take you down a notch here. Now from here, we want to go ahead and register your products. So Duroflex mattresses come with a best in industry warranty of up to 10 years. So use the warranty registration form below to register for warranty to be eligible for any claims in the future. So you really want to go ahead and do this. So 10 years, that's a great period for warranty. So put in your phone number here, your name, your product type. So accessories, baby sleep furniture, mattresses, product name, warranty period. Then from here, put in your purchase date and also your PIN code. Now you want to go ahead and upload invoice, image and MRP sticker. So go ahead and take them with your smartphone or your camera, choose files, and then go ahead and click on to submit. Now once you've hit submit, you're going to successfully claim warranty for your Duroflex mattress.